Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. We are diving right in. As you can see by the thumbnail, this is an Ulta haul. I finally turned in all of my points, and I love to shop through Ulta when I can use coupons, points, they have gift with purchase, things like that. So I'm gonna dive in. It's not a ton, but I still think I got some good deals, y'all. First up is this Ulta Curly Girl All-Stars, and it is a full set of a bunch of curly girl friendly items. I'm actually getting this for my son, but it was $29.99 with a $91 value. So I think he's really gonna love this. He has very curly hair. So for him, this is probably right up his alley. I may separate it again and put it in something different. But yeah, next up, I got one for myself and one for my son. They had a BOGO of the Moon Teeth Whitening Pen. This is in Vanilla Mint, and then it breaks into two. So I'm gonna put one in his stocking and then one is for myself. I do use the whitening strips from Moon, and they're okay. I like them. And they're okay. I like them just fine. Next up, I've been wanting to try these, so if you have any experience with these, please let me know. This is the MAC Snow Peony Hyper Real Kit. It has the serum and the silk canvas balm. So I'm very excited to test this out for sure. Next up, I actually thought I was getting a full size because I just emptied my full size, but I apparently got the mini. This is the TheraBreath Whitening Fresh Breath Oral Rinse. I've used this for a very long time. I love this stuff. It's not super potent. It's not super strong. It doesn't burn my mouth. And when I use this overnight, when I wake up the next morning, the morning breath is not quite as pungent. It's not quite as punchy in the face as it would normally be. So I really like this. If you're looking for a mouthwash that's a little bit more mild, then I would highly recommend that. Next up, I got these Scunci. I've never known how to say this. Scunchies. The Prep Facial Razor 6-pack. And I got 2 packs of these. I figured I can keep one and then gift one. But I loved these because I keep stuff like this in my very top drawer right here in my vanity because I do shave my face about every 3 weeks or so. And I have a bad habit of sometimes throwing the little tops away to them and scratching myself. And I thought this was a cute idea. They literally just fold up, you fold them out, and you use them. I've shaved my face since I was 15 years old, and people thought I was nuts, and now it's the trendy thing to do. I feel like if you are struggling with makeup application and you already know, hey, I'm moisturized, I am well prepped, you have skin prep done, you have primer on, things like that, and your makeup is still not sitting on the skin well, you know, it's not really blending into the skin as opposed to sitting on top of the skin, I would highly recommend checking out a couple of videos. I have one. If I remember, I'll link it right here. I've done it for years and years, and I can tell you when I've gone past that 3-ish week time frame, I can tell the way that my makeup is sitting on my skin. So yeah, highly recommend. I'm excited to try these. Definitely will update you guys. Next up, I recently wore my other set. I thought I had them right beside me, but I do not. I recently wore my other little set of my skeleton barrettes, and when I saw these, y'all, I freaked out. These are also by Scunci. These are a 2-piece glow in the dark skeleton hand hair clips. And they have cute little bows on them. I literally, you guys, oh my god, like I want to wear them right now. Like right now. But I need to get some scissors to get them out. How freaking cute are these? I'm so excited. Next up is the Too Faced Pillow Balm Warm and Spicy Limited Edition. And it came in like the little set of 3. I really love these. I have the set from last year and I've used them a lot, and it might have been even 2 years ago, but they're getting a little bit older, so I did want to re-up. So I'm super happy to have this. And with this, they also had a free gift with purchase, so I got another of the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper. If you know, you know. I use it all the time. I love it. I've gone through multiples of them. And this is not a brand that I don't tag them typically or anything like that, but they're some of my all-time favorite products, and I've not found anything that I like as much or comparable to this. There's something about the Too Faced Lip Injection that I love. So yeah, and of course I was using up points and things like that. I always try to shop, and I know I said this at the beginning, but I always say this. First of all, I don't pay full price typically for anything, like ever. I wait for a discount code, a sale, a gift with purchase type of thing, or like with Ulta, typically I wait all year and save up all my points and I buy a bunch of holiday stuff with it, but I'm pretty much done with holiday already, so guess what? I spoiled myself, but I could not pass it up. And then I am so excited for these. I've never heard about these. I've never seen anybody use any of these, but Paco Rabanne, that make the colognes that I typically buy at holiday time for the gents in my life, they have makeup products and they looked so dang beautiful. So I picked up just a couple of things. I got the Paco Rabanne Euphoria handbag palette, and that is what it looks like. Of course, I will get up close and show you guys. And then y'all know I'm a mascara hoe. I love mascara. This is the Euphoria Famous Mascara 5-in-1 Mascara, deep black, high volume, natural definition, lengthen, and curve. And I just got the mini in this, but oh my gosh, am I freaking excited about this, y'all. Like the wand and everything looked like a Riri wand. I do want to show you guys this really quickly. And I'm sorry that the screen changed, but I was running out of room to record. Full transparency here on this channel, we all know that. So that is what the outer packaging looks like. The packaging, so pretty. And as beautiful as this is, I actually hate packaging like this, like the hourglass packaging, things like that. It just gets so dirty, and aesthetically pleasing as it is now, it looks like shit when you get fingerprints and stuff all over it. This is a little smaller than I thought it was going to be, but that's okay. Oh, very pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. So here's our little color story. Oh, that is, man. And I love, 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 love greens. I'm actually going to swatch these for y'all now just because I'm super curious. They don't feel super duper like high shine, but oh my gosh, those more like matte shades. They kind of feel like the cream to powder formula from Natasha Denona. The shimmers, I think because I'm such, you know, an indie lover, I typically like something a little bit more. That's not indicative of what they're going to look like on the lids though, so I never judge anything ever by swatches. To me, swatches don't really mean nothing. All right. Oh yeah, oh, I'm excited. I'm so excited. And then with like a hair purchase or whatever, I also got these little free hair bands. It's almost like I could just throw this in like my sister's, you know, holiday gift or something like that. If you want to see a look with the Paco Rabanne and get my thoughts and stuff like that on the couple of things that I did get, then just let me know. That's it. That's my short and sweet little haul. Thank y'all so much for joining me. I really appreciate you taking the time to come and watch. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and I will see you on the next one. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.